Hey y'all! As you can see, I already have my makeup on. The information that you're going to need to find the tiara, the wig, and of course the costume will be in the description box below. Okay, first you're going to want to take some liquid latex and a disposable makeup sponge and put it on random places on the face, being careful not to get too close to the eyes or mouth. But if you don't want to wait so long for it to dry, you can also use a hairdryer, like so. Okay, now you're going to want to put some glitter in the places that you would normally highlight, like your nose, cheeks, and chin area. After that, you're also going to want to put glitter on your brows. You can do that using your brow brush, like so. Okay, now you're going to want to use your fingernail to make little holes in each of the places where the liquid latex is. After that, you're going to want to use a fine-tipped brush and some black eyeshadow to go all around the edges of them, as well as the same color for around your lips. After that, you're going to want to use a small fluffy brush and some red eyeshadow to go on the inside of each of those holes, like so. And there you go. Thanks so much for watching. This was very simple, easy, fun, and cool. If you liked what you saw, please click that like button. Don't forget to share and subscribe to MissStarTv. For more information and updates on MissStarTv, you can always follow me on Twitter and Instagram. And don't forget to follow us on Patreon. Show your support and become a part of our star family. Thank you guys so much. Bye.